So what will the heat be like after sundown? KCAL News meteorologist Paul Deanno back with your next weather forecast. And Paul, it was hot out there last night. I'm hoping it's a little cooler tonight.
You know, most games have been pushed back to after sunset. By 7 o'clock, the sun is below the horizon. That's a good move by the CIF. That said, look at these temperatures. Bishop Gorman, Mater Dei. Bishop Gorman is school out of Las Vegas. Number 2 in the country for high school football, Mater Dei. Right here in Southern California, number 1 in the country, 95 degrees at kickoff tonight at 7 o'clock. Liberty travels to Mission Viejo, another top 5 team in Southern California, 93 degrees. And Roosevelt leaving the Inland Empire, heading to Oaks Christian tonight, 98 degrees at kickoff at 7 o'clock. So if you're the parent of a high school football player, tell your kids, drink a little more water than you normally do because you're going to need it. Woodland Hills, 115 right now. Ontario, currently 109. Orange County, you're typically the cool spot when we get these heat events. Look at the city of Orange right now, already 101 degrees. Burbank, we're keeping with our forecast of 115. That would be the all-time record high temperature for Burbank. Weather data goes back to about 1939, before World War II. Yesterday, we hit 114. That ties the all-time record. We also did it in 2020 and 2018. We may break that record today. You want to cool off? You can head to Malibu. Yeah, it's cooler, but it's 86 degrees at Zuma Beach right now. That is really warm for feet in the sand. And if you're hanging out in Los Angeles for the upcoming weekend, triple digits continue tomorrow and Sunday. Yes, a few degrees cooler than today. Not by much. 100 tomorrow, 101 coming up on Sunday. The average is 85. Riverside, 108 degrees. I feel like I'd moved to Phoenix and we're talking about all these numbers. No, right here in Southern California, although our weather acts like Phoenix when we don't have an ocean breeze. Riverside's 108. It's a dry heat, I guess just like Arizona. And in and around downtown Los Angeles, we will be above 100 degrees for several hours beginning at 2 o'clock. We have a strong ridge of high pressure, which is right over Southern California, just to our north, actually. That is dragging in. Notice, if we follow the arrows going around, where's our source of air? Coming from the east or coming from the northeast? That's Death Valley. That's Joshua Tree. That's Vegas. That's our source of air, not the 68-degree ocean. So here's the best news if you are tired of the heat. Top of the hour, we just got a new 6 to 10 day outlook. See that blue over us? That is below average weather, below average temperatures that are likely toward the end of next week. And you'll see this in the extended forecast. I'm going to block all the hot stuff. Next Wednesday, next Thursday, we're below average, down to 79 for a high on Thursday. I move, and I got to show you the weekend. 104 today, 100 tomorrow, 101 on Sunday. Look how hot it's going to be for our valleys. 110 or higher through Monday. And then by Thursday, barely making it to 90. So a big change coming up next week. Inland Empire, same story. You'll be in the upper 80s this time next week, but not this weekend. Slight chance of a thunderstorm. Highs approaching 110. Back to you, Amy.
All right. Thanks so much, Paul.
KCAL News. More news than any other local station.
We're here when you want your news.
Here on KCAL at 9 and 10.
Then on CBS Los Angeles at 11.
KCAL News on CBS Los Angeles, tonight at 11. Now you can get your KCAL News, weather, and live stream all in one place on the CBS News app. Download it free today.